Namaste and welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Spicy corn, a very enjoyable snack. This is a very easy and quick recipe to make. Make it as spicy or as mild as your heart desires. You can also serve this over crisp sliced bread. This recipe will serve for spicy corn we will need 2 cups of corn kernels. I am using the frozen corn. You can use fresh. 1 teaspoon of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon finely chopped green chili, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red bell pepper, 2 tablespoons finely chopped cilantro, about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of soft cream cheese and 1/4 cup of feta cheese. I am ready to grill the corn. I like to use the heavy bottom pan, so I am just going to lightly oil it and grill it on low medium heat. So oil the pan, just going to do it with the brush, it's easy, and put the corn in. Keep stirring occasionally till they start popping, just like they pop when you are grilling it outside over the charcoal. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Corn has started popping and catching the nice light brown color, so it will be just another half a minute. It has been already 4 minutes. So corn is ready, has been about 5 minutes. So turn off the heat and remove this into a bowl. While corn is still warm, just add all the spices: salt, cumin seed powder, green chili, bell pepper, cilantro, lemon juice about 1 teaspoon, and the cream cheese. We will add the feta cheese when we are just ready to serve for garnishing. So mix it well. So all these spices has mixed well, and I will garnish it with feta cheese just before serving. Spicy corn is a delicious snack. It tastes best when you serve this warm, but you can also serve this at room temperature. This is a very enjoyable dish for picnic or outside get together. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to like and send me your comments. Enjoy